Hey everybody, welcome back to another Nerd Note with me, your host, Brandon Hart. I am here once again in the NimbeLink Nerd Lair to talk to you about something that we just keep hearing about over and over and over again. Everybody wants to know about 5G. When are we going to get 5G? What's up with 5G? Do you have 5G products yet? Should we be developing with 5G? 4G's gone right now, right? It's 4, it's not 5. 5G's the newest. 5G's what we gotta have. How do we get 5G? Let's talk about it real quick and just address this. First of all, 5G. It's 5th generation, so yes, it is newer than the 4th generation. That is fair. However, 4th generation is LTE. LTE is just getting to maturity now. It's been deployed for about 8 years. And it's ubiquitous at this point, pretty well everywhere. So I'm going to tell you right off the top, go 4G if you can. You really should. It's the best bet for right now. But let's talk about why. So what is 5G? 5G is really broken into 3 different categories. And I'm going to spare you my handwriting here and just write the acronyms. But enhanced mobile broadband is the first. Ultra reliable low latency communication is the next, and then massive machine type communication is the third category. Enhanced mobile broadband is your wireline internet replacement. We're talking about 20 gigabits down and like less than 1 millisecond latency for home internet use, business internet use, that type of thing. That's what's coming first. Eventually it'll roll out to mobile phones, but really this is targeted for fixed wireline replacement. Ultra reliable low latency communication is for industrial use, autonomous cars, things where that low latency, that sub 1 millisecond latency means that everything can essentially become real-time communication, back and forth, immediate communication happening over that network. That's going to take a long time because you need ubiquitous coverage for those types of things to happen. And then lastly is the one that we care about the most, massive machine type communication. Essentially what we're talking about here is a huge densification of machine-to-machine IoT connections on the 5G network. As you might imagine, this is coming first. This will probably come at some point, and then the massive machine type communication is still quite a ways off. We're talking late into the 2020s and well beyond that for this to even become available. So again, the bottom line is use LTE. LTE is just getting to the point where it's ubiquitous, where it's great, it's out there, it's available for use. There are low power versions like M1 and NB-IoT. Go for that, deploy on 4G today. Eventually 5G is going to be cool. This massive machine type communication means you could connect millions of these things everywhere you want, but it's not there yet. So there you go. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know what you think. Like, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, send us more ideas for nerd notes or full episodes to workshop@nimbelink.com. And until next time, thank you and have fun building.